Hi guys, Thomas Innovative Mind, and today we're going to be installing a screen protector onto this tablet. So this is actually my personal tablet. This is a Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite, and today we're going to be installing a screen protector on it. Don't mind the logo. So first thing we want to do is power the device off because we do not want the screen to turn on while we are installing it. And I'm gonna take apart the case. Bear with us one moment. I'm hoping the camera can see that because I don't see the camera. So we pop that bezel off first. And now we're gonna remove the rubber silicone. I don't even know if it's a silicone, but it feels like it. And if there's clicking noises in the camera, I do apologize for that. Remove the rubber silicone and remove the tablet from the case. And putting the case back on is the exact same thing. So the first thing I like to do before trying to install this is to see if the screen protector is going to work on it. So we're going to line that up and see if it's going to work. And it does work on it pretty well. Next thing we want to do is clean the screen protector. So I have an alcohol wipe here that we're going to use to clean the screen, because we want no dust behind the screen protector or anything like that. And I apologize for the whistling behind me. Now that the screen is cleaned, we want to dry the screen now. And be careful not to touch the screen at this point because we don't want to dirty it. Just touching the sides right here. That way there the tablet's not sliding. And now we're gonna get a sticker. And this is the fun part about it. We're gonna get our sticker. And we are going to just go like that. And what that does is that is moving any dust that might be collected on the tablet itself. And now, this is not necessary, but I like to do it, is to give it a final wipe down just to make sure there's nothing on the tablet. No specks of dirt or anything, because I did see some. And I only do this if I see specks of dirt, and I did see some, so don't know if the camera picked that up. I'm gonna go another round with the sticker. And that usually removes the dust. And give it another wipe down. We want the screen to be like squeaky clean. Now, I want to make sure we line that up pretty well on the screen. And this is going to help a lot. Now, you can get screen protector kits, but that's only available on the phones. When you do it on a tablet, you want to estimate it pretty well before removing the back, because as soon as you do that, the screen protector is here to the screen. And well, as soon as you remove it, the screen protector is no longer good. And this is a little bit different from the YouTube channel. I'm gonna get these guide stickers and we're gonna put them on here. And this is just a temporary. And line it pretty well. And all it takes is patience at this point. Now we're gonna fold that back. And we're going to get the other one. And this is just to guide the screen protector, right? Because you want it to go on perfectly. It's not often that you use them, but when you do, they can be pretty helpful. There we go. So now the screen protector is aligned. We want to make sure the stickers put down pretty well. And these two stickers are red and white. They're used, like I said, they're used to align the screen protector. And this thing is aligned pretty well. So now we're going to fold it up very carefully. Be careful not to move the stickers or peel up the stickers like I just did. So we're going to lay it back down and put the sticker back on. Like so. And we're going to lift it up very carefully and peel the backing off without touching the screen protector. Like so, and we're going to lay it back down, adhering the screen protector to the screen, just like so. And at the exact same time, we can peel them off now. Now, if you notice, there is some air bubbles in here, so I have this cool little squeegee right here. We're going to go in, going to push the air bubbles right out of the tablet. Like so. And we have one more air bubble left to do. So we're working on squeezing that out. Also, just if you don't have one of these tools, these do come with some screen protector kits, but if you don't have this tool, regular credit card will work just fine. Or your thumb as well too. So now we have the screen protector all installed, so now we can remove the sticker. We do have a little bit of air bubble, but that will remove after some time of it being on the screen. So now we're gonna put the telltale case back together, starting with the base. Now with the rubber. And like I said, this is a little bit of a different video. So I'm not a professional at this, but I do know how to install them. Gonna slide that up. Hopefully it is getting it, which it is. And it does take a little bit longer, so I do apologize. Usually I can do it quickly, but this is to show you that screen protectors can be installed at home on your own. And I will put a link on this exact screen protector that I use on this tablet. So if you're interested, you can get one. And it is all trial and error with this case, with this specific case, as it is shock proof. A shockproof case. So got him back on. Caught that on camera. I apologize about that, guys. Slid right off the table. Okay, so now we got the rubber seal back on. And now, gonna grab the bezel, can put it back on. And this thing just snaps right back on like so. Be careful not to crack the screen protector. And the case is now reinstalled onto the tablet. So now we're gonna power the tablet back on and make sure everything's works well. And as long as you do this, every once in a while the bubble will come out. Little top tip there. And we're going to just gently wipe down the screen. We're not cleaning it, but we'll just gently wipe down the screen as well too. Just to make it look perfect. And get the camera as well too. There we go. So now we're gonna make sure the screen protector is gonna work properly. It should, but we're gonna make sure the screen works properly and everything. It is doing its boot up, so it can be a little fuzzy sometimes. Come on. But while she is booting up, we're gonna push the rest of the case back together, because it does snap on the back too. Now this is a case. It does come with a built-in screen protector, but what happened is that the bezel popped off, so the screen protector was no longer good. That's why we replaced it. There we go. So now that's on. So we're gonna make sure everything works. We can get into applications, folders, which we can get into applications, all that stuff. So that's it for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, all the links will be in my description below, and also the link to this exact screen protector will be in the description as well too. Thank you.